Hello there and welcome. In this video we are going to see how you can monitor MySQL with the help of Zabbix. So let's jump right into it. In order to monitor Zabbix, what we have to do is to follow along on the solution page, basically the official tutorial, and technically this is what we are going to do. So first things first, we have to install the MySQL server, and once the installation is complete, we have to do the following steps. So basically we need a user and a password which allows us to monitor with Zabbix. We also need a template which is going to allow us to monitor it, and this has to be set up for the agent. So we are going to move under the etc zabbix agent.d and create the template db mysql.conf, and there is a YAML file which you will find under the tutorial, and I'm going to switch to row, copy and paste it here. So this template is going to define what information is gathered with what tool and what arguments are provided to it. So in order for this to work, you not just only need MySQL server up and running, you need the MySQL admin and the MySQL command line tool. So let's save it. The next thing that we have to do is the following. We have to go ahead and create a folder under the var lib, which is called Zabbix, and inside this folder we have to create a .my.cnf. Inside here we will say that our client has the user, which is zbx_monitor, and the password for this user is the password. And once the MySQL is installed, we have to use the systemctl enable MySQL and start MySQL, and then we have to go ahead and open up a prompt, and with this prompt we have to do two things. One is to create inside our database the user with the associated password and grant for that user the appropriate privileges. And once this is done, what we should do is to use the systemctl restart Zabbix agent, and we don't have to restart the MySQL. Then we have to go to our configuration or under monitoring hosts, select the host where we would like to see this MySQL monitored, and here under the templates we have to type the MySQL and choose the MySQL by Zabbix agent. Then click on update, and if everything goes well, we can force it by restarting the agent once again, but we should be able to see some information about our host. So for example, if we go to the latest data, Apache is not working at the moment because I have restored the snapshot of my virtual machine. But basically, as you can see, the data starts to flow from my MySQL instance. So this means that the MySQL is working, the template is configured right, and the credentials which are used to log into the MySQL are also working. Alright, so if we go to the uptime graph, it seems to be fine. Basically that's it. This is how you set up monitoring a MySQL instance with the help of Zabbix. See you in the next one.